Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy coin from KuCoin, only ways. First, sign up with email or phone, then secure your account with two-factor authentication. Verify identity to raise limits and unlock fiat options. Deposit crypto or use the fiat gateway to add funds. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface, choose a trading pair, and set a market or limit order based on your plan and risk tolerance. Next, decide how to fund your KuCoin account with either crypto transfers or the fiat gateway for card or bank purchases. Crypto transfers usually cost less and settle faster, while fiat lets you buy directly with USD or local currency. Always review fees, minimums, and supported networks before sending funds. Once funds arrive, confirm balances and proceed to the Markets tab to find the exact trading pair you want to buy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical crypto guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort during long trading sessions. I find they keep me focused when monitoring markets and avoid distractions from sore feet. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now learn how to place orders on KuCoin by picking the right trading pair, like BTC/USD, or your target coin against USD. Use a market order for instant execution or a limit order to specify the buy price and wait for fills. Watch fees on each order and confirm the result. After purchase, consider withdrawing coins to a private wallet for safekeeping and keep records for taxes and tracking performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.